About there.
Yeah.
Like I said, when you get it going, then you find somebody to paint it.
Yeah.
You ain't decide a color yet?
Have I seen the color? I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep it this color right here. That matte red. I don't know. I don't know. I think I like that matte red though.
That matte red. That's the
Yeah.
old color.
Yeah. Oh, and
Yeah. So you molded here. You ready to start that project up.
oh yeah.
My homeboy did a surveyor like that. From start to finish.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta put it back. Gotta put it back in now. Yeah, gotta keep that thing covered up till I can get back around to it raining today. And come back on out.
Right there, the lip going around like that. I saw one red with the gray at the bottom. I saw one with white at the bottom. It's just shit. So many ways you can go with.
Yeah.
But you got to tell them what color you want.
Yeah.
What you want to go with.
I don't know, but that 4-barrel, I think that 4-barrel gonna be better than that 2-barrel. What you think?
Yeah. That's running.
Yeah, that 4-barrel. That 4-barrel. See, I got that Edelbrock. See, I changed.
Oh, yeah, intake too?
Yeah, I changed the intake, the 4-barrel. I changed all that over before. Yeah, I had.
Same motherfucker now. You spray some PB Blast on them bolts. Damn, I'm out of it right now.
Well, I ain't really. Only thing I really had to do is unhook that right there from the manifold, the exhaust pipe from the manifold, cause I already got the manifold, the exhaust manifold. Yeah.
Yeah, what you do?
Yeah, it already got those on there.
You hook them bolts from right here. Then your motor mount right there.
Right.
And the rest of the bolts behind here.
Yeah.
Around there. What's all that?
Yeah.
Hook them bolts, take the start off. Be in there. I know all that, you gotta worry about that.
Yeah, I had got most everything did on him, man, and it was just started running smooth, but I just didn't have my temperature gauge on there or whatever, and you know I gotta get my dash running too, so I ain't gonna run it that hard.
I think
I
I would have went with electric fan in that case.
You said what?
That fan not turning on as the motor turning though.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave it there. Cause that motor gonna turn on the fan turn. As long as the motor running, fan blowing air on it.
Right. I knew once I had popped the thing, that more had knit I said, man. And then I had checked it right here. Look at the color.
It mixed.
Man, that's so great, man.
Oh yeah.
I said, it gone.
Yeah, that broke the head gasket.
It gone. I said, it was still turning over, but you know it. I said,
Wouldn't
yeah.
start. No, it ain't gonna start. You run so hot when it does it.
Yeah.
It crystallizes the rings in the engine.
Right. Yeah, she over with.
Can't nobody just come up to Query, man, hey, I get $2,000 old truck, man. Shit, you ain't got much in it.
Right.
But you got that label.
Right.
And that label what makes it worth a lot. And you did it, you doing it too. Little by little, shit, that's gonna make it worth a whole lot to you.
Right.
That's why I can't nobody just come up and buy it off like that there.
Right.
I love doing it. I just love working on that stuff, man.
Yeah.
Man, it's a rush, boy. You just gotta do it yourself. You'll see what the situation is.
It is. That's why.
That will make that bitch worth so much to you, man.
Yeah.
Mother, come on, man. You got your damn mind.
Right.
Cause that's the feeling you gonna have. Hell no, man. I did that.
Right.
Every time I look at it, I did that.
Right.
But like I say, you wanna do, I can walk it through it step by step. How you do it, and see it. Ain't nothing to it.
I'm gonna try to have it right. It's gonna be right.
Like I said, then you put your pipes and stuff on. That's your next step.
Yeah.
Your video, well, get the pipe put on today.
Right.
Video, get the pipe on here. I got the pipes on it now.
Right.
And just, like I say, step by step, the way you're gonna do it. That sanding, man, that's easy. You get you some sandpaper, just,
Right.
you can sand it down yourself. You can buy
Right.
primer and
Right.
spray primer on there and just sand it down because, see, we gotta say you gotta put some kind of paint on it because if you don't, you'll make it rough. It's gotta have some kind of paint.
Yeah.
So when you go back with sandpaper, don't get me wrong now, sand gonna take you a while.
Yeah.
A long while, but you doing it yourself.
Right.
I hit that sandpaper, doing it here, a little bit there, and smooth it off, post some water down there and get it smooth.
Right.
And that'll be one feeling, and go on the whole man. It's
Yeah.
gonna make it worth a lot. Won't nobody baby just come get it from you. You won't
Right,
give it up,
right.
I put it like that. You won't give it away, I tell you that much.
Yeah.
But like I said, you got old school, something you won't see no more. This truck older than you.
Yeah, way older than me. A
Yeah.
good 11 years older than me.
Man, shit, you do this thing up, boy, and keep it. That's you. It's gonna be you.
Yeah.
But like I say, you want to do it, I'll walk you through it step by step.
Right.
How to do it, the way you gonna do it. Take the carburetor off, you better put the motor off.
Yeah.
So you won't damage the carburetor, take it off, and just sit out the way,
Yeah.
and put sand in the motor, you better take it out. I'll walk you through it step by step. You want to do it yourself, I'll walk you through it.
Yeah.
Step by step, how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
We'll take the hood off though. So it won't be in
Yeah.
the way, because it might be in the way. Some people leave them on, but nah, you take a chance of damaging it. This old hood here, you might never find the hood. Best thing to do, take the hood off out the way, all the way off out the way, and then you go up there, like each wire, see that's the ground watch your battery.
Right.
You gonna hook it, always
I'm
hook it
a-
to the side.
Take
Like
pictures
I said,
of it,
take
you
the,
know.
take the hoses off and stuff out the
Yeah.
way. Really gonna have to come out because you don't want to hit it and mess it up.
Yeah, right.
That fan got to come off.
Yeah,
Take
right.
Take it off. The rest of stuff and leave on there. You take the alternator off out the
Yeah.
way. It's you can walk it and see that alternator you got how you got to plug in back there.
Yeah.
You definitely take a picture of that so you know how to
Yeah,
plug it
yeah,
back up.
yeah. I'm gonna
Just
take
take a picture of the back of all that so you know how that wire go.
Yeah.
But the distributor going to come out and the way you set your timing on it. Well, on that motor, I'm pretty sure it's already set. Take this strip out here and whoop, drop it back down in there.
Right.
Like I said, it ain't hard, just work.
Yeah,
It's
right.
just a lot of work. Take your time doing this here, but you can do it.
Yeah,
Don't
right.
get me wrong now, you can do it.
Right.
And see, okay, you can stop for a couple hours, get back on it,
Right.
get most of it done one day, next day get it done.
Yeah.
Or one day pull it out, next day
Right.
put it back in.
Right.
Of course you're gonna need help to sit it back down in there, but
Yeah.
still, you know, I can show you step by step
Yeah.
how to pick it up, take it up out of here, put that jack up on the transmission, hold transmission up, slide that joke over out the way,
Right.
and it's just step by step by step.
Right.
And like that temp sensor right there, them little sensor stuff,
Yeah.
well that ain't plugged in. That I don't
Nah,
worry
that
about
ain't-
it. The old motors, you ain't worry about a lot of sensors and stuff. They ain't got all that crap on there.
Right.
And that's the best thing they did back in the old days. They didn't have all them damn sensors for everything.
Right. Right.
But like I say, you know, you can do it walk by one and buy a high temp. Whatever color you gonna go back, the motor's gonna go back red or whatever, blue or whatever color.
Yeah.
And I got wires in that right back in that room back there, all different color wires.
Yeah.
So if you let's say you paint the motor red
Right.
and you want red wires, I got red wires, you go in there and pick them up, but they
Yeah.
brand new. Ain't never been using that. 8mm wire, thick wire.
Yeah.
And you go and get the wire for this motor, man. I got wire for the motor here, brand new. Any color you want, blue,
Right.
red, yellow. It's up to you what color you want to go to wire.
Yeah.
And like I say, I'll walk you through. I can walk you through and let you do it yourself. That way,
Right.
you can look back and say, man, I did this here, man.
Right.
A lot of folks might say, man, you ain't no way the hell you didn't do that, Square.
Right.
I can show you on my phone, man. Little by little, I did. He's there.
Yeah, they gonna
And
do
like
it
I
anyway.
say, like I say,
I'm be uploading all of it.
like I said, as you do it, upload it. And then
Yeah.
a little bit of stuff, I'll show you how to make it look good when you put it back in.
Yeah.
You sand it off a little bit, paint that back black, have it look like
Right,
it's
right.
new. Paint this him back black, have it look like it's new. You know,
Right,
just
right.
make it look good when you put it back in. And then you take a cardboard box, you
Yeah.
put it between here to keep it spraying the stuff here black.
Right. Right. Exactly.
Call him when you put it in, that'll be black.
Yeah.
That'll be black. See what I'm
Right.
saying?
Right.
And make it look good. You make it look good. I got one of them brand new.
Right.
But like I said, little by little, man, you can bring it back yourself. You did it. And like I said, can't no motherfucker steal it from me because you gonna look, man, you crazy hell. I did all that work. Man, you didn't do that work. You lying, Square.
Jeez.
Whole time you done the whole thing yourself.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Then I'm gonna make it, like soundproof so that keep that engine noise off of there.
Yeah.
So it
Most
be
time I tell a
quieter.
lot of guys do. Keep this red, spray a round line inside on this here.
Yeah.
On that rhino line. And then keep this thing here red, keep that another red.
Right,
These
right.
here stay red.
Yeah.
And put rhino line on it, that'll soundproof it.
Yeah.
Like I said, just step by step to do it the way you want it.
Mm-hmm.
But when you get through, I promise you, boy, shit, you did it. I mean,
Right.
I'll walk you through it. I'll walk you all the way through it. So you can do it all.
Yeah. He should be.
I'll walk you all the way through it to get by. I'll walk you all the way through it. That way you can get by on your own. Like I say, you want this thing, do your thing yourself.
Right.